Good morning, students. Sandhya, good morning. NSTS Rao, good morning. So within 2 minutes, I will start the class. Okay, so I'll start the topic. So yesterday I explained introduction of trigonometry. After that, some basics, definition of angle, measurement of angles, and in the right angle triangle, trigonometric ratios, how to identify what is the definition of trigonometric ratios. I explained yesterday. So now today I want to explain here right angle triangle. We used Pythagorean formula. So Pythagorean theorem. So in geometrical already it is proof also there. So we are learning for the similar triangles topic. So now simply I'm using that formula directly. So first of all we have to consider right angle triangle. Suppose this is ABC right angle triangle, but angle P at 90 degrees. Some acute angle I'm taking theta at A, at vertex A. So that is acute angle. So now, so based on this, suppose already I told you this horizontal axis we consider as x-axis and the vertical axis, vertical length we are taken as y and hypotenuse are already I told you. So using this, suppose in a right angle triangle ABC, in a right angle triangle ABC, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. So now here AC square is equals to means here R square is equals to what about AB? AB is equals to X plus BC is equals to Y. So this is the formula about Pythagorean formula. Okay. So now hypotenuse here right angle triangle hypotenuse square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square means adjacent side square plus hypotenuse side square. Okay. So that's why. So this is about Pythagorean theorem. Okay. So then, so before started first exercise, I want to give some examples. Okay. So one example is if tan A if tan A is equals to 3 by 4, then find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. Other trigonometric ratios of angle A. Gravity joint. Okay. So then see using this question, but how to solve this? So first of all, you have to consider as right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So this is ABC. But according to the question, given tan A, tan A is equals to 3 by 4 means the acute angle is A. So this is about A. Okay, just you need to consider. Suppose sometimes they are giving tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. Tan theta equal to 3 by 4 means you have to consider here acute angle or here, nothing to worry. But the particularly mentioned tan A means acute angle is must be at vertex A only. So that is about tan A. Clear? So then we are what about tan theta formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse is equals to 3 by 4. So now simply here this is called as what is the opposite side? This is nothing but 3k and hypotenuse is nothing but sorry. This is tan A means it is called as adjacent side. Okay, so adjacent side is 4 means it is nothing but the value is 4k. This is called as the ratio. Opposite side by adjacent side is 3 by 4, but here opposite side is 3k and the adjacent side is 4k students. Okay. So then, so now here, this is about 3k and this is about 4k, right? Now we are using, I want to find out this hypotenuse value. So now only I told you, using Pythagorean formula, using Pythagorean theorem. So what is Pythagorean theorem here? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square only, no? So now here AC square is equals to, is nothing but 4k whole square plus 3k whole square. So what will happen? What will happen? That equal here AC square is equals to, here what is that? Here it is nothing but 16k square plus 9k square. So that is equals to 25k square. Okay. So now here AC is equals to, similarly after simplifying we get 5k. So that AC value is 5k. Clear? So AC value is 5k. So then I'll take the value of AC is 5k here. So after that, so simply now what we need to ask here, all the three sides we have, means we need to find out possible for six trigonometric ratios. So now you find the other trigonometric ratios they need to ask. So now first one I am taking here sin A. Already sin A is equal to, this is about, you know that this is x, this is y, and this is all. Already in the previous video I told you, when trigonometric ratios we need to find in the time horizontal x and this is y and hypotenuse r you have to consider. So then definitely here sin A is equals to, here what will happen, opposite side means opposite side is y by hypotenuse is r, this is nothing but 3k by 5k, then kk get cancelled, then you get 3 by 5 in the sin A. Clear? So next similarly second one is cos A. So cos A is equals to x by r, that is nothing but 4k by 5k, kk get cancelled, that is nothing but 4 by 5. The next third one, already tan A will be there. So the next cosecant A, cosecant A is equals to hypotenuse by hypotenuse the opposite side. What is the hypotenuse? 5k by, so the next y is nothing but 3k. So kk get cancelled, then you will get 5 by 3. So similarly, secant A. So secant A is equals to r by x. R by x is nothing but, so r by x is nothing but, what about r? R is 5k, by x is nothing but 4k. Kk get cancelled, then you will get 5 by 4. Okay. So then fifth one is cot A. So what is cot A means? Adjacent side by hypotenuse one, you know. So what is the adjacent side here? Adjacent side is 4k, means this is nothing but formula x by y. So x is nothing but 4k by opposite side is nothing but 3k. So kk can cancel, then what will happen? It is nothing but 4 by 3. So these are the trigonometric values of okay, other trigonometric values. So tan A equal to 3 by 4 is given. So this is the problem, students. Okay, clear everybody? Okay, so somebody have joined. Ravati, good morning, and Satish, Danala, good morning. Okay, so then next I'll continue for the next one more question. So next question is very important. So now we have second example, most important. In a triangle ABC, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that sin A is equals to sin B, sin A equal to sin B, then prove that angle A is equal to angle B. So this is the question. Okay. Board, board not clear. Okay, so next question is in a triangle ABC, angle A and angle P are acute angles. So now I consider two triangles. This is one triangle. So I consider as ABC. So here it is 90 degrees and this is angle theta. The next one more triangle is here I'm taking the reverse I'm taking here PQR. But here ABC, but here PQR I'm taking as per my convenience. Okay? You have to remind this. Okay. So ABC triangle, but here PQR I'm taking. Okay. So this is clockwise rotation, this is anti-clockwise rotation. That vertices I'm taking. See, be careful to do this. So now actually, but here angle A and angle B are acute angles. Suppose here what is the given? Sin A is equals to sin B is given now. Sin A is equals to sin B. Okay, so what about sin A? Sin A is nothing but the opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC is equals to sin B is nothing but the opposite side is QR. QR by hypotenuse is PR is equals to like that. Let I'm taking let BC by AC is equals to QR by PR is equals to K. QR by PR is equals to K. Okay. So simply now here BC by AC is equals to K. That implies what is the BC value? K into AC. Okay, this is the one value. And similarly, so next here QR by PR is equals to K. That implies QR is equals to K into PR. K into PR. Okay. So then, so first of all, using these values, but how to find out the remaining? Okay. Right. So now, in that, for example, in this triangle ABC, AB square is equals to what will happen? AB square is equals to hypotenuse square means AC square minus BC square. So then I want AB. AB is equals to under square root of AC square square minus BC square. Clear? So simply now, similar in the triangle, PQR triangle. So now your PR is equals to under square root of PQ square minus QR square. PQR square minus QR square. So simply now, here, now I'm taking here AB by PR. Why? Because but I want to prove first of all corresponding sides are proportional. Then definitely angles must be equal. No, similarly proof. Okay. But two triangles are similar means only the two properties will be there. So what are the two properties means? One is corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. That are the two properties. So that's why but here AB by PRB, this is called as corresponding sides. Okay. So now I'm taking here under square root of AC square minus BC square by under square root of PQ square minus QR square. So then that equals to AB by PR is equals to under square root of AC square minus what is the BC value? BC value K into AC means BC square means A square into AC square by so under square root of AC square next to here this is nothing but PQ square minus QR value is nothing but QR is equals to K into PR. K square into PR square. So then AB by PR is equals to take AC square common and QR square common. It is taken outside means then what will happen? So that equal to here like AC into under square root of 1 minus K square by PQ into square root of 1 minus K square. 1 minus K square, 1 minus K square get cancelled, then you get AC by PQ. Okay. So AB by PR is equals to AB by PR is equals to AC by PQ. So then these two ratios are equal. And similarly, AB by PR is equals to AC by PQ is equals to similarly here BC by QR also. So now the two triangles and three sides are proportional. Sides are proportional means then definitely angles must be equal. Now here angle A is equals to angle B, hence proved. Okay, this is most important. In exercise also, this type of model question will be. Okay, so be careful to do this. Clear? So next here one more sum I want to explain you. Next one more question is here. One more example. Consider a triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PQR triangle, PQR triangle, right angle at Q. Okay, so this is about the third example. Okay, now but here PQ is equals to 29, PQ is equals to 29, and QR is equals to 21. QR equal to 21. So then angle PQR is equals to theta. Then have to prove that first one cos square theta plus sin square theta, and second one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So very simple. So according to the question, so given in triangle PQR, triangle PQR. So PQ equal to 29 is given. So QR is equals to 21 is given, but here this is acute angle PQR, PQR, but acute angle that right angle that R is given. Sorry, right angle that R is given. So this is Q. You need to take this is acute angle theta. Now according to the problem, like QR is given. QR is how much is given? QR is 21. This is about R means this is about P. QR is given 21, and next here PQ is equals to 29. So this is the question, right? At the right angle that R, right angle that R, acute angle that Q. Okay, now but here adjacent side, opposite side will be there. You need to find out the hypotenuse. But how we find out the hypotenuse means in triangle PRQ, PRQ triangle, hypotenuse means your PQ square is equals to PR square plus QR square only now. So then the next what about PQ square is equals to substitute what is PR? PR is nothing but 29 whole square plus QR is nothing but 21 whole square. So PQ square is equals to 29 whole square means 841 plus this is nothing but 441. So PQ square is equals to what will happen? PQ is given, no. PQ. PQ is 29 means this is the value is 21. 29, but question is not proper here. PQ value is 29 and QR value is QR is 21 is given. You need to find out PR. I need to find out PR. Okay, so small mistake. PR I need to find out. So PR square is equal to this is nothing but 29 square. Clear? So this is nothing but 841 is equal to PR square plus 441. So PR square is equal to 841 minus 441. Clear everybody? So then, so similarly here PR square is equal to this is nothing but 400. PR is equal to 20. So this PR value become 20. Okay, clear? So then first of all I have here three sides will be there. Then what they need to ask in the first question? Cos square theta plus sin square theta they need to ask. Now what is the cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse means 21 by 29 whole square plus what is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse means 20 by 29 whole square. Here everyone? Okay. So simply 21 is nothing. 21 whole square is nothing but 441 by 29 whole square means it is nothing but 841 plus. So this is nothing but 20 square is nothing but 400 by this is nothing but 841. So LCM we need to take 841. 441 plus 400 that equals to 841 by 841. Then you will get okay. So that is about first one. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So similarly, what we need to ask the second one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. So cos square theta minus sin square theta means what about cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse means it is nothing but 21 by 29 whole square minus adjacent sin theta is nothing but 20 by 29 whole square. So that equal here 441 by 441 by 841 minus 400 by 841. So then you need to take LCM is 841. 841. So then it is nothing but 441 minus 400. That equals to 41 by 841. So that is the final result. Clear everybody? Okay. So now based on that, I want to explain you first exercise. Exercise 11.1. So before exercise 8.1, 11.1, but here some do this, try this sums also there. So now I want to explain. So today do this, try this. Tomorrow I want to explain exercise one sum students. Okay. So listen everybody. So otherwise I explained already examples now. Better to do 1.1 exercise. That first exercise only. So further one more class I will take for do this and try this and think and discuss. One more class I want to explain you. Okay, right. That's why because the do this and try this sums also most important for SSC board exam students. Okay, right. One more class I will take. Right. So now here exercise 11.1. See, first sum is, so just I'll dictate the question. Listen. So in a right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC, CA respectively. Then find cos A, sin A, and tan A. So academic standard AS1 problem solving method of sum this is. Okay, but academic standards overall 5 academic standards are there. The next class I want to explain you what is briefly. Okay, for that, right? So now according to the first question, but in the triangle, but which is the highest length 17 now. So this is 17. Okay, so this is 8, this is 15 and 18. Now here they are considered as ABC. But already the three lengths are given. Three lengths are given. So how to find out that means simply in triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay, given AB is equals to, but we are already given AB value is 8, right? BC value is 15 and the CA value is 17, right? Here. So AB is equals to 8, EC is equals to 15 and AC is equals to 17. AC is equals to 17. Clear everybody? So now based on that, first of all what they need to ask, they need to ask for, so first of all, first one is sin A. They need to ask sin A. So sin A is equals to, you know the formula, opposite side by hypotenuse. This A means this is about the acute angle theta. For opposite, the opposite value is 15. 15 is nothing but BC by hypotenuse is BC. So that is equals to 15 by 17. 15 by 17. So similarly, second one is they need to ask cos A. Cos A is equals to here adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So that is nothing but 8 by hypotenuse is 17. So then third one is tan A. Tan A is equals to here adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. Okay. Sorry. Tan A is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. So then what is the opposite side is AC by adjacent side is 8. So that is nothing but 15 by 8. So this is about 11.1 exercise. So first one. Okay. So Satyanarayana joined. Okay. Good morning, Satyanarayana. Right. Next I'm going to explain second sum. Second sum. When I'm explaining the sums, everybody maintain notes and write it. That is the better thing. Okay. Right. Because this year lockdown moment, but classes will not going on at the proper way at particular your schools. So I'm explaining for 11.1 exercise. All the sums I explain like your class. So that's everybody must and should write notes is the better. Okay. So then next, see everybody. Second question is the sides of a right angle triangle are PQR. The sides of right angle triangle PQR means first of all I consider as the right angle triangle PQR. So actually here right angle at P. But what is the hypotenuse is given QR. So P Q R I'm taking, right? So right angle at P is given. But I got once I read the question, see everybody. The sides of a right angle triangle PQR, PQ is equals to 7. PQ is equals to 7 centimeters. So the next QR is equals to 25 centimeters. The next okay, you need to find out tan Q minus tan R they need to ask. Okay, once again I'll read the question. The sides of a right angle triangle PQR, PQ is equals to 7 centimeters. You observe the diagram. PQ is equals to 7 centimeters and QR is equals to 25 centimeters and angle P is equals to 90 degrees, angle P equal 90 degrees respectively. Find the value of tan Q minus tan R. Okay, so this is the problem, right? So simply, so first of all, you consider the right angle triangle. Now I need to find out PR value. So applying Pythagorean theorem, here PR square is equals to QR square minus PQ square. So then PR is equals to under square root of what is QR? QR is nothing but 25 square minus 7 square. So then here PR is equals to under square root of 25 square is nothing but 625 minus 7 square is 49. So then PR is equals to under square root of what we get here 576 will come. Okay. So now 576 means your PR is equal to the value will become 24. Okay, 24. So now after getting this, what they need to ask the here tan Q minus tan R. Tan Q minus tan R. So first of all I need to find out tan Q minus tan R. So completely I want to find. So what is tan Q? Tan Q means this is the 24 now. This is acute angle. Q means tan means 24 by 7. So why? Because here PR by PQ minus. So the next tan R. Tan R means this is the acute angle. Tan R means opposite. It means here PQ by QR. So that equals to substitute the values. What is PR? 24 by 24. This is not QR. This is PR. PR. Why? Because R opposite value is PQ. The adjacent side is PR. So then PR value is 24 by PQ value is 7 minus PQ by then it is 24. So then now you need to take LCM. Okay. So LCM of that, What is the LCM? What is the LCM here? LCM is here 168. 24 7 the 168. 7 24 the 24 whole square minus 24 7 the that is nothing but 7 square. So 24 whole square is how much? 24 whole square is nothing but 576 minus 49 by 168. So after subtraction, what will get here? 527 by 168. So that is the final result, students. Okay. So now here in this right angle triangle, two values are given. I need to find out third value means very good, Ravati, good response. Okay. So this is about second sum. So next I'm going to explain third sum. Okay, overall 8 sums are there. 8 sums are there. I'll complete it at all the sums now. So the next third sum is question number 3, 11.1 exercise. In a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at B. ABC is right angle at B. So in which small a is equals to 24 units, small b is equals to 25 units, and the angle BAC is equals to theta. So then how to find out cos theta and tan theta values? Okay, that is the question. See everybody. So first of all, I consider the triangle, right angle triangle. So that is angle B at the right angle, and this is here I'm taking N, here I'm taking C. So according to the sum, but the angle A at acute angle they need to do. Okay. So simply first of all here BC value is given how much? BC value is 24 is given and AC value is 25 is given. Okay. So why? Because but here BC value is nothing but capital A opposite side is small a, capital B opposite side is small b, and the capital C opposite side is small c. I need to find out. Clear everybody? So based on that, so again using Pythagorean theorem, using Pythagorean theorem. So now here I want to find out AB square now. So AB square is equals to here AC square minus AC square. Then here what about AB? AB square is equals to, or AC is nothing but 25 square minus 24 square. Now here AB square is equals to 625 minus 576. So then AB is equals to under square root of 49. So then AB value will come, it is nothing but 7. Okay. The small c is equals to value 7 will come. Clear everybody? Okay, the value is 7. Then what they need to ask them to find out cos theta and tan theta, they need to ask. Cos theta I want. Cos theta means where it is acute angle. So acute angle is where it is means so at A is acute angle means the adjacent side is AB. So AB by hypotenuse is AC. Simply you need to write here adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. So then cos theta is equals to what will happen? So AB is nothing but 7 by hypotenuse is 25. So then similarly next one is we need to ask the tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite side is BC by next adjacent side is AB. So that is nothing but 24 by 7. So that is about tan theta. So this is about the third question, students. Okay, clear. So next of all I want to explain next fourth sum is, so already you know very well fourth sum. So this fourth question is, if cos A is equals to 12 by 13 Then you need to find out then find sin A and tan A. So this question in previous exams in AP June 2006, June 2006 in AP they need to ask they asked June 2006 supplementary exams this question asked. So that's why this is very important. So listen everybody careful. Already I told you. So when this any one ratio is given means must and should you have to consider. But based on the 1 point first exercise means previously I explained only for ratios, not identities. But here two methods are there. One is you are using like identities, then you need to find out. But otherwise, using triangle. But I'm taking only triangle, right? Because in the previous already I explained only for ratios. That's why. So first of all, I consider as one triangle. So acute angle at A. A is given now, so that's why this is A and this is B and this is C. But angle B is 90 degrees, this is angle beta. So now here given cos A is equals to 12 by 13. Cos A is nothing but what? Here adjacent side by hypotenuse is equals to 12 by 13. So then what is the adjacent side? So simple adjacent side is nothing but AB by AC is equals to 12 by 13. So now here what is AB value? AB is equals to 12K. Some value is 12K, 12K but here ratio is 12, value is 12K. So similarly here AC is equals to 13K. Clear everybody? So after that, so simply just using using Pythagorean using Pythagorean theorem, then what will happen? So using Pythagorean theorem here, AC square is equals to, but here what is cos A means what will happen? Cos A is nothing but here AB. AB is 12K and AC is 13K. Clear? So now I want BC square. No, BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. Okay. So BC square is equals to what about AB? AC. AC is nothing but 13K whole square minus 12K whole square. So that equal here BC square is equals to 169 K square minus 144 K square. Okay, 144 K square. So similarly, so now here BC square is equals to, so then after subtraction what will happen? It is nothing but 25 K square. So then BC is equals to, I want here 5K only. So the BC value will become 5K. So the next, what they need to ask the first one, sin A. Very simple now. So sin A is equals to, what is that? So sin A is equals to opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. So that equals to here 5K by 13K. K get cancelled. Get what will happen? 5 by 13 only now. So similarly, second one is what they need to ask tan A no. So tan A is equals to, okay. So tan A is equals to what will happen here? Tan A is nothing but opposite side is BC by adjacent side is AB. So that equals to 5K by 12K is nothing but KK gets cancelled, you get 5 by 12. So this is the final result. So this is about fourth question. Clear? Next, fifth one is right. So next fifth question is fifth one. if 3 tan a, if 3 tan a is equals to 4, then find sin a and cos a, sin a and cos a. But using triangle, better method is using identities. But in this after second exercise, you know the what about identities everything. So then before I explain using right angle triangle, after that. But otherwise, you want means I'll explain for identities method this sum once need to observe. So solution given given 3 tan a, 3 tan a is equals to 4 means here tan a is equals to 4 by 3 only, no? Tan a equal to 4 by 3. Suppose if you are using from identity, secant square a minus tan square a is equals to 1. Here secant square a minus tan square a equal to 1. This proof also in the next class I want to explain you. So now here what about I need to find out secant square a minus tan means what will be here 4 by 3 whole square equals to 1. So then here secant square a minus 16 by 9 equal to 1. So then secant square a is equals to 16 by 9. So similarly, here what about secant A? Means here a under square root of 16 by 9. So that is nothing but secant A is equals to, so this can be written as 4 by 3 whole square. Then square root get cancelled, we get 4 by 3. If it is secant A is 4 by 3 means what they need to ask them? Sin A and cos A, no. So sin A and cos A means then I want cos here means 1 by secant here, no? Reciprocal of secant theta means this is nothing but 1 by 4 by 3 is nothing but 3 by 4. So then finally cos A is equals to cos A value is 3 by 4. Without using right angle triangle, using the identities you can find. So then next we need to ask the sin A. So how will find out sin A means but here sin A need to find that means you are using one more identity. So that is called as sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So now here sin square a is equals to 1 minus cos square a. So then sin square a is equals to 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square. So that equal to 1 minus 9 by 16. That equals to LCM is 16 plus 16 minus 9. No? So now here sin square A is equals to 16 minus 9 is how much? 16 minus 7, no? 7, 7. So 7 by 16. 7 on remember that? 7. So now here I want here sin A is equals to under square root of 7 by 16 is that is nothing but root 7 by 16 is root 7 by 4 root value coming something went wrong. Tan A 4 by 3 means secant A. Secant A is nothing but tan A 4 by 3. after getting this here some mistake is coming. Okay, I'll rectify this. But actually here, if it is minus 16 by 9, you send that side means plus 16 by 9. Okay, small mistake. See here, I'll continue this. Secant square A is equal to your LCM is 9 means here nothing but 9 plus 16. So that is equal to 25 by 9. So then secant A is equal to under square root of 25 by 9 is nothing but 5 by 3. So this is the value of that. But here a small mistake there. But here is not. The minus 16 by 9 you send that side means plus 16 by 9, right? So this is secant A is 5 by 3 means then cos A equal to what will happen? Cos A is equal to 1 by secant A. So that is nothing but 1 by 5 by 3 is nothing but 3 by 5. Okay, once you check it, this mistake. So the next, so this is about cos A students. Cos A is equals to 3 by 5. So cos A is 3 by 5. So then next, I want to find out sin A. So how to find out sin A means using Pythagorean formula. So now here sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. So now here sin square A plus cos square A means it is 3 by 5 whole square is equals to 1. So sin square A plus 9 by 25 is equals to 1. So sin square A is equals to 1 minus 9 by 25. Taken LCM is 25. 25 minus 9 is nothing but 16 by 25. Then sin A is equals to under square root of 16 by 25. So then final result is, so sin A is equals to square root of 16 means under square root of 4 by 5 whole square. Square root get cancelled here. Sin A is equals to what will happen? You will get 4 by 5. So this is about so final result students. Okay. So this is about fifth question. So the next 6, 7, 8 questions are pending. So now already time is 1 hour completed. Okay. So tomorrow I will continue for this sixth question, seventh question, and eighth question. So tomorrow I want to explain you. If you want, now only I will explain. Okay. So this question's continuation, 11.1 exercise, sixth question onwards. Tomorrow I will continue, students. Okay. Right until wait. I'll close the session now. So anybody having doubts, just message me. Anybody having doubts, message me. Any topic is needed, message me. Right, almost 8 students are there. Okay, I'll continue this. Okay, I'll continue these 3 sums also, students. Okay. So then one exercise will complete it now. But each and every sum I explained. Listen everybody carefully. Each and every sum I explained. Each and every sum. Okay. See, see sixth question already. Sixth question same as the example. Previously already explained. Okay, fourth sum. Again you need to ask fourth sum, no? So orally I will explain that. So one student is asking fourth sum. We need to ask the fourth sum. So fourth sum, if cos A is equals to 12 by 13, cos A is equals to 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A. Okay, sin A and tan A means, so using the triangle, first you need to find out, but here adjacent side hypotenuse will be there. So you need to find out opposite side. After finding opposite side, sin A and tan A will come. Okay, clear? Okay. Next, any doubts? But otherwise, I will continue for the next sum. See, the sixth question is in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. Angle A is equals to angle X. Angle A is equals to angle X. If angle A and angle X are acute angles, such that cos A is equals to cos X, then so that the angle A is equals to angle X. This is very, very important. AS2 method this is. Dear students, so actually, but based on this, already this sum I explained in the examples. Same as usual, in oral method I want to explain you. So simply here ABC and XYZ you need to take two triangles and cos A is equals to cos X. You need to take cos A value and cos X value. So then that equal to, let us assume you consider as K. So means, so then you will get some values. After that, using Pythagorean formulas, then you will get corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional. So two triangles are corresponding sides are proportional means, definitely you will get corresponding angles are equal. So here finally angle A is equal to angle X will come. So once go through the example already explained. Example and this is both are same. Okay, just you need to identify. But in the example, sin A is equals to sin P is given. But here cos A is equals to cos. The ratios are different, but procedure is same. Okay. So next, seventh question is, see students, seventh question is given cot theta, given cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. Then evaluate first sum. Then need to ask 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by next 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So this sum, so first of all you need to find out this solution. See, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. See, once you need to observe in the numerator, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So simply here 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta in the denominator. So 1 minus sin square theta is equals to, as per identity, cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Okay. So then 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta by 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. So that equal, this can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole square. So cos theta by sin theta whole square is nothing. This is nothing but cot theta whole square. What is cot theta value? 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 whole square is equals to 49 by 64. So this is the value of that. Okay, clear? So this is about 7th Roman first sum. So then 7th Roman second sum is seventh Roman second sum is 1 plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So first of all, you need to observe. So this can be written as separated the terms 1 by cos theta plus this is nothing but sin theta by cos theta only no. So that equals to sin theta by cos theta only no. So now simply suppose if it is cot theta is equals to 7 by 8 means what about tan theta? The reciprocal means this one will come 8 by 7 only no. So this 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta plus this is nothing but tan theta. Clear everybody? So secant theta plus tan theta. Suppose if you are using the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1 only no. So using that secant square theta minus tan square theta is nothing but this is nothing but 64 by 49 equal to 1. So secant square theta equal to 1 plus 64 by 49. So then secant square theta equal to what will come here after LCM? This is 49 and this is 64. How much will come? So it is 113 by 64. 113 by 64. Clear? So if it is 113 by 61 by 113 by not 64, it is 49. It is 49. So then that implies secant theta is equal to square root of 113 by root of 49 is nothing but 7. Root of 49 is nothing but 7. So finally, you need to find this. What is secant theta value? Square root of 113 by 7 plus. What is the tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but 8 by 7. After taking LCM is 7. So 7 is the LCM. So now we are 8 plus square root of 113. So this is the final result 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. But otherwise, if you are using triangle method also nothing to worry. Triangle method also nothing to worry. So finally, I'll give for homework for you. Last eighth question. See, I'll read the question. Near right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, tan A is equals to given. Find the values of some sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. First question. Second question is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So these two sums I want to give homework. Once you need to try, but otherwise in the next class you ask, I will explain that one. Okay, clear students? So 11.1 exercise before examples I explained today and complete exercise I explained today. But tomorrow I'll continue for the exercise 2 in the trigonometry. Okay, clear everybody? So students, so my class is completed. So I'll give 2 minutes time. Anybody having doubt, just give message me first. Anybody having doubt? Otherwise, I'll close the session. Anybody having doubt? Okay, no doubts now. Okay, students. So again, but who are missing in the middle? Again, this video is available in my channel. Okay, after 1 hour. So definitely, if you who are missing, you visit. Okay. So then tomorrow I'll continue for the 11.2 exercise in the trigonometry. So until wait, keep watching my channel. I wish you all the best. Thank you, children. Them,